In October 2026, Microsoft Publisher shuts down for good. After that, your .pub files won't open, and there's no built-in replacement. So which tool should you switch to? It depends on what you actually made. Most guides just hand you a list of tools. Start with a better question. What did you use Publisher for? A flyer maker and a print professional need completely different tools. Match the work you did to the right replacement. Flyers go to Canva, newsletters go to Word, one-pages to PowerPoint. Print-ready brochures and magazines go to Affinity Publisher, InDesign, or Scribus. Canva is the easiest switch for non-designers and marketing teams. Thousands of templates, drag and drop editing, and a generous free tier. But it falls short on print-ready CMYK, bleed, and complex multi-page layouts. Canva Pro runs about $15 a month. Already on Microsoft 365, Word is the lowest friction switch. Multi-column layouts, text boxes, and the mail merge Publisher users rely on. But it's a word processor that does layout, not a true layout tool. And it's already included in your Microsoft 365 subscription. PowerPoint is underrated for single-page, visual layouts. Flyers, posters, and one-pages that export to PDF cleanly. But it can't flow text across pages like a real document. Like Word, it's already in your Microsoft 365 plan. Affinity Publisher 2 is the closest match to Publisher itself. Master pages, linked text frames, real CMYK, bleed and crop marks. The trade-off is a steeper learning curve, closer to InDesign. And it's a one-time purchase, around $55, with no subscription. Adobe InDesign is the professional industry standard. Pre-flight checks, Pantone color, and a full commercial print workflow. But it's built for trained designers, with a real learning curve. And it's subscription only, roughly $20 to $55 a month. Scribus is the best free, print-ready option. Genuine CMYK, bleed, master pages, and linked text frames. The catch is a dated interface and a steeper learning curve. But it's completely free and open source, on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Here's how the costs compare. Canva Pro and InDesign are recurring monthly subscriptions. Affinity is a one-time $55, and Scribus is free. But here's what every guide buries: your existing files are a separate problem. None of these tools can open .pub natively. The format is closed and proprietary. And you have to convert before Publisher is gone. That's where Univik Pub Converter comes in. It converts your files to PDF, Word, and more, in bulk, on Windows. Fully offline, and it doesn't need Publisher installed at all. Pick your alternative, but convert your files first, before October 13th. Univik, where technology meets trust.